Hi, this is Kerry Shearer. I'm a public health communicator, a social media and emergency communications trainer, and I am so excited about being part of the 2013 Public Health Preparedness Conference in Atlanta. Now, it's all about developing some social media savvy in the area of video, using things like YouTube and Skype and Ustream to effectively communicate public health and crisis information in an emergency. Now, you know that YouTube is the #2 search engine, and videos are one of the top things that get the most clicks in social media. So I think it's critical that communicators be equipped to use video. Now, there are so many ways you can improve the day-to-day social media outreach that you do, and at the same time, prepare yourself and your team to shine in an emergency by implementing some of the tools that I'm going to be telling you about. But here's the deal. I don't want you to attend my session unless you want to learn about some easy ways to get started using video on your social media and emergency communication site. Do not come to my session if you're not interested in discovering what tools you already have that could get you on the web with your live or recorded content. And I do not want you to be there if instead you'd prefer to be numbed by some 250 slide PowerPoint presentation instead of jumping into some hands-on content creation that will help you learn how to get your message out in an emergency situation. Now, if you're thinking, ooh, this is too high-tech for me, well, I'm hopeless or something like that, don't worry about it. It's not the case. I'm going to make it easy for you. The fact is, to be relevant communicators in the social media age, it is critical to learn new skills. Unless you work at a mega agency, you really can't leave all this to the AV department, if there even is an AV department available. These are skills that you should have in your own personal arsenal. Now, my session is set for Tuesday, March 12th from 1:30 to 5 p.m. in room A708 on the atrium level. I have no idea where that is either, but if you find your way there, you're going to learn some great stuff. You'll find out why it's important for your organization to be set up to use Skype and exactly what you need to do it. I'm going to tell you about ways to take your message around the media and directly to the public. I'll even demo a new tool that lets you broadcast live right to your organization's Facebook page while archiving the video at the same time. I'll show you just how to shoot great video in a few easy steps, and I'll show you 4 different types of videos that you can use to get started with. You'll see how to use the tools you already have in your pocket, your purse, your messenger bag, your smartphone, or your tablet to produce and edit and immediately share video and audio files to communicate urgent information to the public. Now, this is one session where you are encouraged to use your smartphone or your iPad in class. In fact, make sure that you know your App Store password, because you may want to download some of these tools right on the spot and try them out during the class and some of the exercises that we're going to be doing. So we've got a lot to cover, but our session will not be complete without you. Definitely want to see you there. It's going to be a ton of fun, and I know we will have a lot of expertise in the room, a lot of people with tips to share and great tools they know about, so I think it's going to be a great learning experience for all of us. I am confident this will be at least one session at the conference where you leave the room with at least 2 or 3 great ideas that you can't wait to take back to the office and implement. And I want to ask a favor of you. If you're watching this on my webpage right now, there is a box just to the right where I would love it if you would enter your name and email address. Why? Well, I'd like to keep in touch and occasionally let you know when I come across cool new tools and techniques and information I've learned along the way that can help improve communications efforts. So I look forward to seeing you at the Public Health Preparedness Conference in Atlanta.